3x bull. This is where the breakout started. We made that highs, and then we pulled back to here, and then we gapped up, and we ran up a very nice move. Extremely nice. Let's pause it just for a moment and look at, everybody knows that we bought the $55 puts, and when the rally started over here, we bought the $30 calls. It's all there on the channel. And we have a nice pop to resistance where the last big gap down day was right here. This is getting a nice pop. We can see right now we continue to go higher up 558 on the day. That's a nice move in the 3x bull. So let it be known that we're sticking with it, and it's on the buy now pay later program for those folks. Let that be known today.